stop. Before you take another photo, you need to see this. I used to take photos like this disaster, but now I shoot like this. The difference? I stopped making these 5 deadly mistakes that are killing your photos right now. And throughout this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix them, starting immediately. Yeah, these are all my photos. Embarrassing, right? But fixing these mistakes changed everything. Mistake number 1, auto mode addiction. Look, I get it. Auto seems safe, right? But watch what happened when I trusted my camera at this engagement party. You see those blurry rose petals? My camera was on aperture priority. I lowered my f-stop so it dropped the shutter speed. The result? Motion blur when I wanted razor sharp petals frozen in time. The couple still loved it, but I still cringe every time I see this shot. The fix? Learn manual mode. Not saying never shoot in auto again, but know when to switch to manual and know the shot you want and not what your camera thinks you want. And speaking of things that make you cringe, raise your hand if this sounds familiar. Mistake number 2, the spray and pray syndrome. You arrive on location, grab your camera and just hoping something sticks. You know you're guilty if your camera's ever shown you this. Don't lie, we've all been there, but here's why it destroys your photos and your editing workflow. You end up with 167 shots of the same landscape instead of one thoughtful composition. The fix? Slow down. Think composition, lighting, story. Take the shot, check it, and if it sucks, adjust and shoot again. Trust me, your future self editing in Lightroom will thank you. But even when you slow down, this next mistake will ruin everything. Mistake number 3, not checking your settings. This still happens to me. You change one setting for a specific shot, then forget to change it back. Your brain says, I always shoot raw. Boom, 1000 JPEGs. Or like when I made that GoPro comparison video claiming everything was 4K. Except my Canon was stuck in 1080p and I didn't notice until editing. The fix is simple. After every shoot where you change your settings, change them back immediately. Or better yet, create a checklist. RAW, check. 4K, check. Manual mode, check. Now this next mistake I see everywhere. Mistake number 4, bokeh addiction. Look, I get it. Creamy bokeh is gorgeous. I love it as much as the next man. But shooting everything wide open is like putting hot sauce on everything. Sometimes it works, sometimes it ruins the meal. Portrait? Go for f1.2. Blur the crap out of that background. But a family photo, a product shot, a landscape, you need everything sharp, especially for prints. Those soft edges become super obvious on bigger formats and scream amateur. The fix? Match aperture to purpose. Ask yourself, what's my subject? What needs to be sharp? Then adjust accordingly. And this final mistake makes even amazing locations look meh. Mistake number 5, eye leveling everything. Look at this amazing location. Perfect sunset, right? But it's just flat. No emotion, no story. Now watch this. Same scene, ground level, huge difference. Your eyes follow from foreground to background. You feel the scale, the drama. And the fix? Don't just shoot and leave. Take your eye level shot, then ask, what if I get low? What if I climb higher? What angle tells the story better? I guarantee you'll walk away with shots you actually love instead of, it was prettier in person. Those 5 fixes will transform your photography overnight. But here's what I want you to do right now. Grab your camera, pick one mistake that you're making, and go fix it today. Then come back and tell me in the comments which mistake was your biggest problem. And if this just saved you from photo disasters, smash that like button and subscribe because I've got more game-changing tips coming your way. Now go shoot something amazing. Peace.